Crimelite lasers come in highly ruggedized Pelican cases. The kit shown here is the combined blue and green laser kit. To break down the kit contents, we've got both of our Crimelite lasers at the back of the case, the 447 nanometer blue and the 520 nanometer green laser. In between those are a pair of dark adaptation goggles for ensuring that the forensic examiner's eyes are adapted to fluorescence examinations conducted in the dark. At the front of the case, we have our Crimelite ProVision laser goggles. For the blue laser, using a GG495 EN207 laser safety rated filter glass, and the ProVision laser goggle for the green laser, which uses an OG570 EN207 laser safety rated filter glass. Below each of the goggles are slots for batteries. In the combined kit, we provide 3 of the 18-volt batteries. In the middle of the kit is the battery charger for the batteries that are included within the system. And right behind that is the power supply to power each of the lasers independently off the mains. This section here comprises a self-test end cap that allows the end user to ensure the laser is functioning correctly.
Underneath the battery charger is where you will find both leads that allow users to connect their Crimelite lasers to their own interlock systems.
And for those people that already have provision for an interlock system,
in the small section located here, you will find 2 interlock bypass plugs.
Last but certainly not least, we have various quick start guides and some laser safety warning signs that should be used when the laser is in operation. These are the core elements of the combined laser kit. However, extra ProVision laser goggles or batteries can be purchased should you so wish.